Hey guys, made this planter up at Sheri Warner Studio bell buckle last year. It's their styrofoam ice cooler class. Anyway, this is my design with the help with Sheri. I'm gonna whitewash it first and add a couple more colors. We're gonna see how this turns out. See, it's even got the four legs at the bottom. I'll make a mold out of it originally. See you in a little bit. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I'm using white and a chip brush and water. Probably water that down about 50-50. Okay, whitewashed it real thin, first coat. I want to get a good bond, so it being wet and, like I said, white washed, then I'm going to come in with a thicker coat of white. Still wet, but the slower it dries and the more it kind of soaks in, the better the bond. Now I got my base coat on. It ain't very thick. It's a thin white coat. And like I said, I whitewashed it, then I come back with some regular white. Not very thick. Now I'll let that dry just a little bit. Now I'm going to play with colors. Still not completely dry. You can see right there, it's still a little wet. I don't know if my camera's fuzzy or not, but all these colors to play with. I'm going to use that water bottle, and everything's going to be kind of wet washed for a little bit, and then later on dry brush. Just having fun with it. See ya. Alright, I got my colors on there. Now I'm gonna do a real weak black wash over that. Okay, she's dry enough right now. After I kind of black washed her, that's like 5 to 2% paint and mostly water. Alright, now I'm gonna leave her like it is. I could dry brush each individual piece to make it pop. I may do it later since she's mine. But anyway, that's my paint job. Thank you guys for looking.